Okay, so let me show you what's inside Gannet ECM196 with a throttle body. Let's open the box up. First thing I notice is the wiring harness diagram is out here under the box lid, and it's marked up with the actual components, so that makes it pretty convenient when you're first opening it up and trying to get going with some other useful I/O information for the throttle body. Okay, so let me get the documentation out of the way. And so clearly here's the ECU, there's the throttle body. So yeah, here seems to be an accessories kit. We'll take a look at that shortly. And this is the wiring harness. I see the ECU connectors over here, A and K connectors for the 196 pin ECU. Here's a potentiometer box, the D-sub cable for CAN communication with the PC, power. Let's take a look at the ECU. Let's see if it moves out quickly. Yeah. So that's the ECU. This says it's a Gannet GCM196 education kit with an Infineon Trico processors, 6 to 16 volt operating range, 3 CAN channels, and lots of I/O. Okay. See how it looks in the back. Not much. So it says over here it can be used for electric vehicles, some ICE, and general purpose. And to use the Gannet supplied harness, actually that's a quick starter right here. It comes with its own harness. Okay, so let me now start with the accessories and see what's inside this.